Did you know that many drivers miss critical details on the road because their dash cams just can't keep up with modern traffic speeds and nighttime clarity? Today, we're diving into the Vantrue S1 Pro Max 4K plus 4K dash cam, a dual-channel powerhouse promising ultra-clear footage, advanced driver alerts, and all-day security for your vehicle. Welcome to Autovated, where we break down the tech so you can drive smarter. The Vantrue S1 Pro Max features dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, delivering true 4K 2060p front and rear video. With dual 155D ultra-wide lenses, it virtually eliminates blind spots, and optional CPL filters reduce glare, capturing true colors and sharp license plates even in harsh lighting. Nighttime performance is enhanced with PlatePix and HDR Night Vision 4.0, keeping your footage clear in tunnels, rain, or low-light environments. Built-in GPS tracks routes and speed, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables quick access to videos via the Vantrue app. It also supports 24/7 buffered parking mode with motion detection and collision-triggered recording, ensuring your car is monitored even when you're away. Key features: 1. Crystal clear dual 4K recording. Front and rear STARVIS 2 sensors with HDR night vision provide readable plates and road signs in all conditions. 2. Advanced safety alerts. ADAS and BSD systems give real-time collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and pedestrian detection for added confidence on the road. 3. Smart connectivity. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and optional LTE support let you monitor your vehicle remotely and download footage instantly. 4. Durable and weatherproof build. IP67 rated rear camera and supercapacitor power system withstand extreme temperatures and outdoor conditions. Based on expert and verified buyer reviews, installation is generally straightforward, and the hidden rear camera reduces obstruction and theft risk. Pros include the ultra-high resolution footage, robust night vision, and comprehensive driver assist features. Cons are that LTE is optional and requires a separate module, and fast PD charging isn't supported, so you'll need to rely on the included car charger. In terms of value, the S1 Pro Max is premium priced but offers class-leading clarity and all-day vehicle security, which many users feel justifies the investment. Compared to the Blackview DR900X2CH, the Vantrue S1 Pro Max offers similar 4K front video, but adds superior rear camera resolution and optional LTE connectivity. Versus the ThinkWare U1000, it's easier to install the rear camera and has slightly more advanced night vision technology, though both brands offer similar ADAS features. If this breakdown is giving you the edge on choosing your next dash cam, hit that like button and subscribe to Autovated, because staying ahead on car tech shouldn't be left to chance. Build quality is impressive, with a rugged rear camera rated IP67 for dust and water resistance, and the front camera's adhesive mount keeps it discreet. Supercapacitor power ensures reliable operation in extreme temperatures, and long-term durability appears strong based on Vantrue's track record and user feedback. Customer support is responsive via email, typically replying within 24 hours, and the 18-month quality assurance adds confidence. Who it's for? This dashcam is ideal for drivers seeking premium dual-channel 4K recording with advanced night vision and safety alerts, daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and anyone wanting peace of mind while parked. Less ideal for budget-conscious users or those who don't need dual 4K footage. Verdict: strong option if you value ultra-clear footage, advanced driver assistance, and 24/7 monitoring. The Vantrue S1 Pro Max is one of the strongest choices in its class. For a slightly lower price with solid performance, the Vantrue N5S is a worthy alternative. Thanks for watching. The link to get your Vantrue S1 Pro Max is in the comments box. Have questions or experiences to share? Drop them below. We'd love to hear. Goodbye for now, and stay sharp out there with Autovated.